Welcome back, tech enthusiast. Are you tired of seeing that frustrating your request pending error on Instagram? Well, you're not alone. This issue can be a major roadblock when trying to connect with friends and follow new accounts. But don't worry, today we'll uncover effective solutions to get your Instagram back on track in just few minutes. Step 1. First things first, let's ensure your Instagram app is up to date. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and check for any availability updates. Keeping your app current can resolve many glitches, including this pesky error. Step 2. If you're using a VPN, it's time to turn it off. Instagram may flag your account as suspicious if it detects unusual login locations. So disconnect from VPN and try sending that follow request again. Step 3. If you have recently sent multiple follow requests or have new account, Instagram might temporarily restrict your ability to follow others. In this case, patience is key. Wait for at least 24 hours before trying again. This cooldown period helps reset any flags on your account. Step 4. To add an extra layer of security and possibly resolve the issue, enable two-factor authentication. Go to your profile, tap the three lines in the top right corner, select Settings, then Password and Security. Follow the prompts to activate this feature. After enabling it, wait a few hours before attempting to follow someone again. Step 5. Surprisingly, many users have reported success by simply changing their profile picture. Go to your profile settings and upload a new image. This small change can sometimes refresh your account status with Instagram. If you have followed these steps and are still experiencing issues, consider reaching out to Instagram support for further assistance. Remember, technology can be tricky sometimes, but these actionable steps, you will be back to following your favorite accounts in no time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech solutions. Happy Instagramming!